Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the half double crochet wrap stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and how to work in the back loops. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. If you're starting from the beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 6 plus 3. I have already made 27 chains on my hook. To start row 1, you're going to make 1 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook. You're then going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across for your first row. And that's how row 1 is looking. For row 2, I brought in my test swatch. We are looking at the back of it right now. And on my hook, I have already made 3 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 double crochet. Skip 3 stitches. Into the next one, you're going to make 1 half double crochet. Over that half double crochet you just made, you're going to make 3 half double crochet. Skip 3 stitches. Into the next one, work a half double crochet. Over this half double crochet you just made, make 3 half double crochet over it. That's 1, 2, and 3. Skip 3 stitches. Into the next one, work a half double crochet. Over this half double crochet just made, make 3 half double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. That's how those are looking. Skip 3 stitches. Into the next one, work a half double crochet. Over the body of this half double crochet you just made, make 3 half double crochet. Skip 3 stitches. Into the next one, work a half double crochet. Over the body of this half double crochet, make 3 half double crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. That's how those are looking. You would repeat this step until you get to the end of your row. So you can see now I have 4 stitches left in my row. You're going to skip 3 stitches, and into the very last stitch you're going to make 1 double crochet. And then into the previous chains of your last row, you can see that this is a double crochet right here, and then this is some turning chains. You're going to make a double crochet into the top of those turning chains. So this is what row 2 is looking like. To start row 3, I have turned my work and I made 3 chains on my hook. We are now looking at the front of my swatch. This row is going to be made up of all double crochet, but you're going to be working them all into the back loops of the stitches. Into your first stitch, into the back loop, you're going to be making 2 double crochet. Now into each stitch across, you're going to make 1 double crochet, but you're going to always work in the back loop. At the end of your row, you will be working 1 double crochet into the last stitch into that back loop. And then you'll be working 1 double crochet into the tops of those previous turning chains. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. I will have each row timestamped down below so they're easy to reference back to. And that is going to be how to make the half double crochet wrap stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.